Oh my gosh. Look at those water level bands in that massive Brazilian agate. Oh my gosh. This is definitely the best water level agate I've ever cut open in my life. Oh my gosh, that is a big banded Brazilian agate, and that's what we're doing today. We're cutting open big Brazilian agates. Let's cut some more. That cut was as hard as a rock. That was a tough cookie to cut, but I'm hopeful that there's beautiful bands in it like the last time. I have no idea. Oh boy, that is pretty sweet. Look at that. A couple of nasty fractures in there though, but the coloring, dark and ominous. Pretty sweet. Not too bad. For this one being the smallest one so far, that was probably the hardest and took the longest, which is insane. Ooh, it is so dark. Oh my gosh. Super dark. Ready? Classic Brazilian agate. Oh my goodness. I truly love that. So dark around the outside. Oh, you can see it in the light there. It's just got a micro geode pocket. Water level bands. Wow, look at how beautiful that is. My goodness. Love those little ticks of orange and even a little blue in the center there. That is awesome. Not sure if you noticed, it's fracture free. There's just saw blade marks that need to get worked out. Besides that, this bad boy is gorgeous. Premium Brazilian agate. That's awesome. Well, so far, so good. I'm gonna cut a couple more of these smaller egg-shell-like Brazilian agates, and then we'll start getting into the big bad boys right there. Sometimes with these agates, I love the husk just as much as I love the inside. That's definitely the case with this guy right here. We'll look at that in a second. Let's see this guy. Another classic Brazilian. Dark bands on the outside, and we got kind of funky show of water level bands in there. That's almost the same as the last one, minus the quartz. That's pretty sweet right there. I like that one quite a bit. But I'm excited for this guy. I've already got a little bit of a peek right here. But here, let me show you the most beautiful thing. Look at that husk. Oh my gosh. The reason I cut it in through here is because there's bands here. Full pattern. And then over here on this side, we got some bands as well. So my theory is if I cut it in through this way, we get a full pattern on the inside. So let's see if the theory is right. Oh my gosh, it's a geode agate. It's got a pretty nasty fraction there, but it does have a full pattern. It's just kind of interrupted by a fracture. But look at this amazing little tube that's going on down in here. That is really sweet. It even has a little pocket. That is crazy. Really, really cool. And this side doesn't have the pocket. We just caught the pocket. That is so funny. Really nice crystals inside that geode too. They're little, but there's crystals. Pretty sweet so far. We have 5 bigger Brazilian agates to go. This eggshell agate nodule right here is next up. And this other eggshell one, this is the last one we're gonna cut. Look at that window with those textured bands. This thing is insane looking. I have no idea what to expect with this thing. I hope it's crazy. But these ones are very classic looking Brazilian agates with those colored husks. Let's cut this one. It's got a little peeling action going on. We're gonna cut it right in through there. Six whole minutes to cut that bad boy. My goodness. This eggshell agate is just peeling. Crazy, crazy. This will be a fun reveal. Ready? Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I don't even mind the fracture in that one. Oh, it's so pretty with that red staining it has. Look at the water level bands down here. And that amazing quartz. Oh man. I love the colors inside that one. That is so sweet. Gosh. Super, super cool. Really neat bands throughout that. Great coloring. Oh, that is so fun. Too fun. That's great. Man, we are just getting so many good agates in this batch. Love me some Brazilian agates. On to the big chunky monkeys. It's gonna take super long to cut all these, so that should be really fun. Ooh, there's a good window. Cut it like that. But if you guys are liking all of these amazing agates so far, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up and comment. Make sure you let me know which one is your favorite. I love hearing which ones you guys like the most. Let's cut this. Oh my gosh! It's an amethyst geode agate, floater bands, and a full pattern on the inside. Oh my gosh! And it's got like just a tinge of purple in the bands. Oh my goodness gracious! This is one of my and there's water level bands at the very bottom. This is one of my favorite Brazilian agates I have ever cut. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. This agate I thought was gonna be terrible. The husk is just so boring. Oh my gosh. That is so much fun. Oh boy, look at that. That's so sweet. Gosh. See the purple there in the quartz? Oh man, that's awesome. I'm just so excited, you guys. That is such a treat. This is my favorite of the cutting session so far. Not gonna lie, I wish I had a slab saw to cut these instead of doing it by hand. My thumbs are starting to hurt at this point. We got a window right here. You can kind of see the bands right there. So we'll go for a cut right through there like that. There's that window again, a little bit cleaner after taking 8 minutes to cut open. Besides that, pretty bland. Ooh, we got a peek. Oh, we got some contrasting bands. All right, let's do it. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. It's almost like it's lit up. Yellows, blues, oranges. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Oh, just a little bit of quartz on this side. Holy moly, what a great batch. Man, too cool. Huge, massive Brazilian agates. So fun. I love these bad boys. They're just, oh, they're so good. Love them so much. This bad boy, though, on the other hand, is, it's so big, you guys. I'm almost regretting picking this out of the batch to cut. So I think I'm just going to cut it like right here, just a little bit, because I don't want to cut the rest of it. We'll just cut a little bit off it like that. Sadly, guys, I'm kidding. We're going to go for a bigger cut. I love the cuts that go through here, through the turtle shell. This really does look like a turtle. It's a agatized turtle. Not really, but we'll cut it right in through there, and I will see you in 2 years. I don't want to cut it anymore. My hands hurt. Fine, I'll finish cutting it, whatever. You guys owe me. I didn't want to cut that anymore, but I did it for you. You guys owe me, like ice cream, chips and salsa, 10,000 likes on this video, whatever. I don't care. Preferably ice cream, if I'm being honest. Look at this lumpy, bumpy, funky Brazilian nodule. This thing better be good. I'm not kidding you. That was 15 minutes to cut this. Please be good. Oh, it was worth it. Oh my gosh. That's one of the best Brazilian agates I've ever cut open. Oh my gosh. That's a keep in my personal collection kind of agate right there. Oh my gosh. You are a sight to behold. Fracture free. Golly gee. My gosh. Man. Just it's even a little geode agate for cute. How awesome is that? Like, honestly, you guys. Look at this. How? How is that even possible? It doesn't make any sense. How? Oh, it's just such a treat. That's the best. Seriously, you guys, I don't know. It's the best. It's too good. My goodness gracious. Oh, you rock. So much. Man, we got one more cut, folks. One more. This funky guy. We got bands right in here. I want to cut it right down the middle there, but it goes in really far. So it's going to be a funky looking cut. That is for sure. Hopefully it plays out. I don't know if it can beat the last one. I usually get lucky by saving the best for last. I don't know if we can do that. But let's get this one open. It's got a geo pocket right there. I doubt there's going to be more on the inside, but you never know. We'll cut it right through there. One last look at that gorgeous husk. What a awesome agate nodule. First time seeing inside it ever. You ready? Oh man, that is seriously. Oh boy. Sorry. It looks like a duck's head. That's what it is. Look at the water level bands down the beak. Oh man, why? Oh boy, that is too funny. Oh, right. That's a funny looking agate right there. Oh, golly. All right. It's got water level bands and classic Brazilian agate colors in it. That is pretty sweet. I like how these water level bands here and here, they kind of match. I don't know why it's like that, but it's like the layering there just kind of stopped through there. But anyway, that is sweet. That's a funny, goofy way to end that cutting session. And we got some seriously amazing Brazilian agates. Look at all of these beauties. Oh, I have a lot of work ahead of me with polishing. Some of these will be making it onto my personal display shelf in time.